Actually just moved here within the jungle into another accommodation, and I moved in just a few minutes ago. This is my office for now, and I want to come to you as fast as possible. This is why I am actually making this live video right now, because the next big move for Bitcoin and Ethereum is imminent right now. So what I will be doing is I will be deep diving into the charts and show you exactly what I am personally looking out for the next move for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I will be opening my charts, my trades, my current trades and my future trades, and I of course want to talk about what I am personally expecting for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me here straight go into the charts, and I know I'm a little bit brown reddish or so. It's a lot of sun every now and then in Mexico, but this doesn't stop me from going in front of the camera and show you exactly what I am personally looking out for. So as you remember, yesterday I was making this emergency video from the beach actually, and I was talking about this pattern here. This is the bull flag we were actually in for quite some time. This is the 1 hourly candle, so at least 1 day or so. We had this massive Elon Musk pump towards the upside, and then a bullish consolidation within that bull flag. What I was telling you, I made the video right here, go back and fact check that yourself. I will actually go and show you a small snippet from there. I was making the video here, and I told you, guys, we are breaking down like crazy right now, but this is... just a second. I was telling you we are breaking down like crazy right now. Actually, this was a dump of 8% approximately. 8% dump towards the downside. We are talking here about a $3,600 dump. And I told you, no reason to freak out as long as we are staying in the bull flag. And we got this amazing support over here. There is no reason to flip bearish. And before I tell you what price targets I am looking out for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, I want to show you this little clip here from yesterday, where I actually predicted us here staying in that bull flag and us not flipping bearish. As you see, afterwards we broke up towards the upside. Let me show you this little clip here from yesterday. Right now, as long as we are holding it, we are in a bullish stance, we are at a bullish buy-ins, and there's no reason, as long as we are not breaking below the bull flag and breaking the closing a 4 hourly candle below with volume support, there is no reason to flip bearish. And as I already told you, there was no reason to flip bearish. Well, we created a higher low for Bitcoin. We got the breakout. I was updating you here about this a W pattern breakout in the moment it was happening. With a little bit of a delay, we finally got to my predicted price targets. Congratulations for everyone who got into the trade. The most important question is, what is happening right now? And what you cannot see here on the 1 hourly candles, what is not very clear here on the 1 hourly candles, will get much more clear on the 15-minute candles. If I were to go over here to the 15-minute candles, you can see we got another shakeout over here. But this is yet another, actually, this is the small version, the exact same small version of the bull flag we got here. We got the bull flag, breakout, and the same thing seems to be happening right now. As you can see, we are in this bull flag. We are floating around between support and resistance. We were breaking out, confirming the breakout, and right now the question is, are we going to go higher? Well, this is not 100% confirmed yet. Where I would be personally going into that trade would be one specific level, and I will show you exactly how I would trade it and what the price target would be. I would trade it after we are breaking. I mean, we broke out, we confirmed the breakout. I would be personally joining what are a few $100 between friends once we are breaking above the 48,500 US dollar levels. Show me a new high, I'll show you a buy. This would be the new all-time high for Bitcoin. Of course, we shouldn't freak out yet. We shouldn't go completely crazy right now, but my price target for that one would be actually, this is the small bull flag only. Since you missed the one from yesterday, I actually gave you the trading signal over on YouTube or on Twitter, I don't remember, for 50,800 US dollars, another 1,600 US dollar move. But guys, the one from yesterday is not over yet. We just started this pump from yesterday, and once again, guys, please apply proper risk management. This crazy ride towards the upside will be over at one point of time, and wait here with me. Wait until the end, because I want to be talking about Ethereum, of course. Look at this, how rustic that looks. I really love this switch from Dubai. You know, I'm living actually in Dubai, and now in the jungle here with this rustic looks and the hippie clothes and some nice crystals here. I just really love the vibe, guys. I can just recommend you whenever you have time or you can do it. Visit me over here. We are doing another meetup next week, I think, or this week. Let's talk about that later on. Anyway, so What you cannot see here once again on the 15-minute candles, in this case you can see it on the 1 hourly. Yesterday I was talking about this massive predicted run up from the Elon Musk pump. I was actually giving you this price target over here. Well, we perfectly hit it. Once again, congratulations for everyone taking these amazing trades here. But the most important pattern we have to look out for is the one here on the 1 hourly. The run up towards the upside, then we are creating this bull flag, a breakout to the upside. And what is the price target of that? Well, let me remind you, we have to take it from the bottom to the top once again. And this is a half-staff pattern, so we have to take this target not to the top of the pattern, but to the bottom of the pattern. If you are moving it right here, you can see that the price target is, once again, guys, 54,000 US dollars. Once again, this price levels, we are seeing it everywhere. You have the same thing if you are treating this actually as a slightly tilted head and cup and handle pattern. You have the cup right here, then you have the handle, the breakout, and what I already prepared here for you is if you are taking this specific price target here from this huge cup and handle pattern we formed throughout the last 1 month, then you can see that this breakout brings us also exactly to the 54,000 US dollar levels. So am I quoting right now that we are going to reach the 54,000 US dollar levels with 100% certainty? No, I can never do that. But I can tell you on the balance of probabilities, if we have 3 different confluences coming together, the same thing with the Fibonacci extension level, also at 54,000 US dollars, the likelihood significantly increases that we are actually reaching it. On the way there, we will maybe see some small shakeouts or so. But you remember, I called for the 44,000 US dollar level, for the 49, for the 35, for the 32. Every single time we hit the price levels, we got a small rejection down. At one point of time, it's gonna be over. But if you tell me the bull market is over right now, with this crazy news coming, I will show you that MasterCard is joining the space. I will show you that the oldest bank of the United States joining the space. And Uber considering right now adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet. Uber. All of that at the same freaking day. So we will talk about that later on. I want to talk about Ethereum as well. Please, guys, stick here with me. This is certainly a very, very important one. Before I go over, I already told you the price targets, how I would trade it, how my trades are looking right now. My trades on Bybit and Phemex accumulated actually right now 4 million US dollars and a profit approximately. I will be talking about all of my trades, but more importantly, what I would be doing if I would be standing on the sidelines right now. But of course, I know we have a lot of Ethereum people here. I opened an Ethereum trade as well, and the question right now is this Ethereum trade still valid? How to open the next trade, where to open the next trade, and where to take profits here the next time. I will be talking about all of that. And as you remember, I have my trades over here. This is my Elon Musk trade I just opened a few days ago, 420,000 US dollars in profits. And of course, I have my trade over on Phemex here, 1.5 million US dollars in profits, where you know I actually put in another 2.5 million contracts right now already, 1.5 million US dollars in profits. And I want to congratulate everyone who jumped here on this trade with me, because you know, I announced that in the moment I opened it over on Twitter. This is the moment why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. Let me show you my other trades as well. Just for transparency purposes, they are still open, guys. I do put my money where my mouth is. This one I opened at 9,400. Not that recently, not an Elon Musk trade. This was more like a big technical trade here where I have already 860,000 US dollars in a profit. And then let me go over to my last trade. I also have over here open on Phemex, and this trade 275,000 US dollars in profits, 200,000 US dollars already taken. And guys, I can tell you I have another trade over on Bybit. I will show it you the next time. I just don't want to log out and log in back again. But as you can see, I am sticking here in my trades. I am continuously taking more profits when we are going higher. But I am staying in my trades because I know that we entered this parabolic bull stage. I was calling for that after the Corona dump with Da Vinci at $4,000, by myself in a solo video at this bump and run reversal breakout at 9,200 US dollars. I was telling you that we are going to reach the all-time high in 2020, and we did. I was telling you 2021 is gonna be the parabolic bull run, and we are seeing it right now. And I certainly can tell you it is not gonna be over at the 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 100,000 US dollar levels. It's gonna be going much higher, and I will back that up with technical analysis and also with the fundamental news which are occurring today. I will talk about that later on. First of all, we want to talk about Ethereum, because This here is the daily candles. I can tell you, Ethereum is going parabolic, but it's not the end yet. Ethereum is gonna go much higher. And there are a few different scenarios unfolding for Ethereum right now. What looks here just like a very screwed Bitcoin chart is actually the Ethereum chart. And I certainly think we are going to go much more parabolic here before we are consolidating. In the end of the day, this will be the first out of many parabolic curves. So if this one maybe goes to 2, 3,000, 4,000 US dollars, we are going to break it. It's gonna be very bloody for Ethereum. We are going to shake out weekends, but the next parabolic curve is going to happen afterwards. After the parabolic curve is before the parabolic curve in a bull market. We see these micro ones within one big macro one. And this is the one which might take us to 2,000 US dollars, which I already predicted earlier, maybe even higher. But one thing is for sure, guys, the bull market for Ethereum is not over yet as well. So let me go over here to the Ethereum chart. And as you can see, we had this rising wedge here where I was calling and predicting actually the breakout. I was telling you over on Twitter, if you are not in the trade, this is your second chance right now. You know what, guys? Let me quickly go over to the Twitter here. Oh, what am I doing here? So this is actually too important. Let me quickly go over to my Twitter profile. And I was giving you this update over on Ethereum, where I was telling you, if you missed out on the Ethereum trade, just quickly, I want to show it to you because it was a very beautiful one. And it just goes to show that you should be subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. So this is Bitcoin. Let me quickly see where the Ethereum chart is. Come on, where is it? It was quite some time ago. There is someone knocking on the door. This is crazy. When I'm not answering. Where is it? No, it must have been later. It must have been later. I overshot already. Bitcoin, 6th of February. Well, this is also Bitcoin. I'm posting way too much about Bitcoin and way too little about Ethereum. Ethereum is so important. Where do I have this? Well, let me quickly open the door because they don't stop knocking on the door. Just a second, guys. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Pleasure.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Anyway, sorry guys, I got out. So what I was posting on Twitter, I will post it later on. I will retweet it for you on Twitter if you go over there. So what I was posting is, first of all, I was getting very bullish here on this breakout. So I entered this breakout trade. Sorry guys for this small interruption. I'm letting 10,000 people wait because one person is knocking on the door. I'm so sorry. So anyway, we were breaking out. I was getting very bullish here. I opened a trade myself. I opened my trade myself at the, where was it? 1,700, 1,600 US dollar levels. Breakout trade actually. And as you can see, we didn't even break out. We went down. We confirmed the breakout. And this is important. We broke above the previous high. This is a full-on confirmation. We can still break lower, but the likelihood significantly decreased here. And my price target of this rising wedge breakout is actually all the way up here at close to the 2,000 US dollar levels, 1,900. 61 US dollars. And wow, let me go back to the Bitcoin price because Bitcoin seems to have a small move here towards the upside. And I want to see what is actually happening here in the charts. This is the reason why you're joining live here as well. Well, Bitcoin is going higher here. Let me quickly diminish that because you cannot really see it. You know my price target of 54,000, right? 51,000 for this breakout and 54 for the other one. So as you can see, we are confirming and we are going higher for Bitcoin right now. But all of these things before I am going back into my trades, and before I want to tell you, where would I personally open a Bitcoin trade? Where would I personally open the next Ethereum trade? Where would I set my stop loss? Where would I take my put my take profit? Before I am doing that, I of course want to talk about the crazy news coming out today and yesterday. Because after Elon Musk, it seems like the community is already used to crazy news. But what we are seeing right now in the news landscape is once again crazy news which are not yet being priced in. Because most of you guys, you heard about the MasterCard news already. Well, MasterCard in it of itself sounds crazy, right? They have like, I don't know, maybe tens or hundreds of millions of customers, right? People having a credit card with MasterCard. But the most interesting thing is, what is the leverage behind this news? We had MasterCard is going to allow within this year the merchants to accept crypto and Bitcoin as a payment. Well, this sounds like, wow, nice. MasterCard, one company joining the space, right? what about the leverage behind that? Because MasterCard has, and now guys, I want you to sit down. I want you to sit down and listen very, very closely. 30 million merchants using MasterCard. 30 million merchants. I'm not talking about 30 million people. That would be crazy. But 30 million merchants being a furthermore leverage to hundreds of millions of users. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a crazy, crazy news. And this, do you believe me if I'm telling you that it's not the only one? Let me go over here and look at this. Bitcoin is pumping right now as I am announcing these news. Maybe because of me, maybe not. I hope not because of me. We have here like 10,000, more than 10,000 people watching. Anyway, let me show you this. So we also had the oldest bank, BNW Mellon, is joining Bitcoin. This is a custody bank. I'm talking here not about JP Morgan. Well, their balance sheet might be smaller than them, but this is the oldest bank of the United States. It has a crazy reputation, and it's a custody bank. Guys, and honestly, it's not it. It is not it. I mean, these news are just overwhelming me. This is the next one. Just a second. Oh. It's not the next one. This is the next one. This is huge. MasterCard has 30 million merchants. This year they will be able to allowed to accept crypto. Every single of the 30 million merchants of MasterCard will be allowed to accept crypto as a payment. Well, and Peter Schiff was saying today, what was the last time you were actually able to pay with Bitcoin in a grocery store? Well, you can tell me right now, what is Peter Schiff going to sell once he finally opens the newspaper and sees this piece of news? Guys, crazy things are happening right now. This is the reason. This is the reason why I was flipping incredibly bullish in the moment. Elon Musk. Guys, people, everyone agreed with me. This is one thing. So everyone agreed with me that the Elon Musk news is bullish. But not everyone agreed with me here on how bullish it is and how big the severe impact of that is. Because I was opening a $2.5 million trade and nothing happened. The price even went slightly down. And people said, Chris, you are wrong. Well, it is good news, but it is not that crazy. But I was telling you, the richest entrepreneur in the world actually having so many more billionaires, billion-dollar institutions looking at him, looking at what it is he is doing. This gives a crazy amount of legitimacy to Bitcoin. And what we can see already happening is more billionaires joining the space, banks joining the space, billion-dollar institutions joining the space. What is happening right now is actually exactly what we predicted at the MMCrypto community. It is not coming with a surprise. And the impact on the Bitcoin price is gonna be much crazier than you might think right now. This is the reason why I went much higher into my trade than I would usually do it. I mean, 2.5 million. This is another trade. Just a second. I added up a trade with 165,000 contracts and I put in 2.5 million more. And I'm happy to put in even more because I have my trading account well funded here. This is only one of these trades. And this one is right now $1.5 million in a profit. And the reason for that is because I understood fundamentally, this is not just a lot of volume joining Bitcoin. This is a lot of millionaires, billionaires, billion-dollar institutions following Elon Musk on his trade here. And now we have banks and MasterCard joining. They are FOMOing. And it is a question, not of months, but of weeks, that every single one of them is starting to at least take into consideration adding Bitcoin to their treasury, adding Bitcoin as a payment method. Guys, if you called PayPal a big news, MicroStrategy a big news, well, I can tell you, the MicroStrategy was a bigger news than PayPal, but Elon Musk is just killing it all. Like, the Elon Musk news is the craziest news we could have ever been waiting for. This is why 54,000 US dollars is a joke. It's a joke, guys. We are going to see way higher price levels throughout this year. And if I am going over here to the daily candles, You can see we are going like crazy parabolic, and nothing goes up in a straight line forever. This even applies to the pump we are seeing right now. Very hard to say, but it's true. It's not gonna go on forever. But what if we maybe top out in February at $54,000, at $61,000, the Fibonacci golden ratio? Then we maybe see a correction from 61,000 to 40,000. And Peter Schiff is gonna come out and saying, well, the bubble is collapsing, it's over. Well, this will be just another 30%, 35, 25% correction within the bull market. Because then we are going to the next parabolic run, which might end at 120, 140,000. Correction down to 90,000, to 80,000, who knows? Another run up to 275,000, and that might be the end. Maybe it's gonna be 500,000. I can tell you it's gonna be 6 digits and higher. It's gonna be a multiple of 6 digits. And what I was telling you earlier here is that if we are pulling out, because for some people the $54,000 level is not enough, and I can tell you it is not the only one. So if I am pulling out this Fibonacci retracement extension level, let me just see here which one we can take. Let's take this one here. This is the one we could take. From the high at 41,000, where we got this massive rejection to the downside, these are the daily candles, all the way down to the start of this run here. Then we can see where this pump might actually lead us to. And well, guys, not only that we are seeing here once again the $54,000 level coming into an amazing amount of confluence with the cup and handle breakout pattern, with the bull flag measured move half-staff pattern, and with the 1.41 Fibonacci extension level, all of them being at the $54,000 to $55,000 levels. This is the price level I am predicting right now. And another price level I am right now predicting, and this is one, I cannot even guarantee this one, guys. I can't guarantee anything, but the likelihood for this one is very high. The next one is actually the Fibonacci golden ratio. This is the 1.618. And how it works in bull markets, this is some macro analysis. You have one run to the upside, then we have a blow off top. Who knows where that might be? In this case, it was at 42,000. Then we draw the Fibonacci levels. Then we look at the extensions. And at one of these extensions, we are going to top out 54,000, 61,000. The matter of fact is, this will be our new point of calculation for the next golden ray, for the next Fibonacci extension analysis. Because we are going to correct down. But then we are going to have new Fibonacci extension levels. This is how we were crushing this run up. This is how we were crushing this run up and also this run up here in 2019. And this is how we are going to crush the next run-ups. $54,000. Let me know if you are in a profitable trade. Yesterday, I was actually asking you, and we are getting the breakout, guys. We are getting the predicted breakout I was mentioning earlier. Let me go over to the hourly candles. Of course, I mean, when we are when I'm going live, you know something is going to happen, right? So let's look at this. We got this breakout here. And if you traded this breakout with me yesterday, well, congratulations to you. If you missed out on that, your new chances on this new bull flag on the 15-minute candles, it's visible better. I told you this is a confirmation, and we are breaking out right now exactly as predicted. The price target of this specific breakout would be... let me check again. I forgot it because I deleted it. It was not visible. So yeah, $51,000, slightly below. We are always taking profits below the price target. Let me know if you are joining this specific trade here. And do not forget, in the video description below, this is very important because with that, you are not only supporting me, you are supporting yourself, because I have $1,180 for free for everyone watching this video right now. If you just scroll down, scroll below the video, click on more and go to the video description. If you go to the video description right now, I have secured for you a $1,180 bonus, and you just have to click these links here. I'm personally trading the most on Bybit. If you click the link, Bybit VMAX Dudex, I recommend Bybit, but you can choose yourself, of course. Oh, wow. Just a second, guys. Sorry. So if you go to the video description, you will find the Bybit, Phemex, and UDEX link, and you can choose yourself. I'm personally using Bybit the most, and also Phemex and UDEX really very seldomly. But this is the alternatives. I have 1,180. After clicking this link, you put in your email address and your password, and then you get your own account. After your initial deposit, you get 1,180 US dollars combined on these exchanges completely for free. Make sure you use the link right now in the video description down below. It is once again for a limited time, but as you know, guys, if you already used our link before with your deposits, you get the same bonuses. Of course, old subscribers are treated the same as the new subscribers here, and this is of course a very fair thing. The thing is, if you are using our link here, this is a cookie based link. If you are using it right now in the video description, it's in the video description, the Bybit link, the Phemex link, for example. If you are using it now, you will be always eligible for the highest bonuses you can ever get, because I'm directly in contact with these exchanges, and I have secured that I always have, with everyone who signed up through my link here, always have the highest bonuses. So whether it's $1,000, $500, $2,000, $300, it will always be the highest one you can find anywhere. So let me quickly go in here. Yes, Chris, the Bank of New York Mellon is about to service cryptocurrency. I already talked about that. And before I'm going back into the charts, guys, I wanted to remind everyone, if you are just joining this video, if you joined a little bit later, below the video, you can take this red area here and you can just scroll back to the very beginning of the video and watch it from there. Because if you are just joining right now, well, you are missing out on the TA I did in the beginning, and you can still look out for what I am posting just in a second here when I'm going back to my computer. But guys, I can tell you right now, crazy things are happening, and the next company's trend. I mean, do you want to tell me it's unlikely that Bitcoin will be added to Google Pay, to Apple Pay? After you heard the thing with Elon Musk, after you heard BNW Mellon, the bank, after you heard about PayPal also having 30 million merchants, well, of course, we have the incentive structure that all of these companies will be obligated morally, ethically towards their clients to add Bitcoin as a payment on their payment methods. Apple Pay, tens of millions of people using Apple Pay, maybe hundreds of millions. Everyone who has an smartphone, an Apple smartphone, can use Apple Pay. Well, what about the Android users? We will have Google Pay doing the exact same thing. I can already nearly guarantee you that Apple Pay and Google Pay is going to enter the markets. If the banks are doing it, if Elon Musk is doing it, they are already doing it behind the secret doors. They are already implementing it technically with a high degree of certainty, guys. This is what I can tell you. What we can see here right now on the hourly candles for Bitcoin is actually something which I exactly predicted over there. By the way, guys, if you type in MMCrypto Espanol, if you are Spanish speaking, I am here in a Spanish speaking country, so I thought I might as well just start a Spanish speaking channel. Type in MMCrypto Espanol and subscribe to the Spanish channel. You are going to see a lot of Spanish videos here in the future. Anyway, what is happening right now here for Bitcoin is actually something I was exactly predicting earlier. And wait, you know what, guys? I just see here we have 12,000 people in the live stream, but only I'm grateful for every single like for sure, but only 2,500 likes. Could you take, before I go back into the charts, please 1 second out of your day, scroll down below the video, press the like button, and leave a comment with your favorite altcoin. Maybe I will go and read through the comments, but also share the video with your friends. Next to the like button, if you just press on share and you share the video with your friends. I mean, guys, I think from the last 40 calls I made the last 4 months, 38 were successful or so, 30, let's call it 35. All I'm asking you for is share your profits in the comments, tell us how much, like the video, and also share the video. I truly appreciate it, guys. I truly appreciate your support. So what you can see here for Bitcoin is we are, wanted to flip the camera. We are getting very, very close here to confirming actually our breakout here above the previous rejection point. By the way, we just hit an all-time high a few seconds ago. Exactly as predicted. If this hourly candle closes above the previous rejection point, guys, we are off to the races. We have to close above the previous rejection point. You know what, guys? Let me make a quick tweet here. Let me make a tweak. let me make a tweet here. And we are pushing this towards the masses, and we are going to, let me make caps lock. Let's push this tweet out and let's confuse the Twitter algorithm. Let's push out Bitcoin, just wait a second, guys. How can I fix that? This is it, guys. I want to quickly have both hands to type here. Bitcoin hit an all-time high again. And then I will add a lemon behind, and we will confuse the Zitrone in German. We will confuse the Twitter algorithm, and he will not understand, the Twitter algorithm will not understand why is this post getting so many likes. So please go over to the to our Twitter page at MMCrypto and like and retweet the S out of this post. It's gonna be funny, guys. The people will understand that we are the lemon family. We are staying hydrated. 3, 2, 1, and bam! I'm going back to the chart, of course, very, very quickly here, very soon. Just let's like the S out of this tweet here as the MMCrypto family, and let's confuse the algorithm. 500 likes in 5 seconds. Beautiful. 650 likes, 700 likes, 800 likes. Woo! We have 1,000 likes within a few seconds. How many seconds? 25 seconds, 1,000 likes. This is crazy, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Whew. This is completely amazing. Thank you so much for your support. And you know what, guys? It's getting very hot here. Before I'm going back into the chart, I wanna show you quickly here this beautiful jungle view. We just have to celebrate these all-time highs. And usually when I'm going live, like at least a lot, oh wow. When I'm going live, a lot of times we are breaking the all-time high afterwards. It might be my intuition, it might be you guys buying Bitcoin when I'm going live. I hope that's not the case. We don't wanna move the markets. Oh, wow, it's way too hot. Whew. Way too hot, guys. Now it's getting a little bit better. It was so cold in the morning. I don't get that. Anyway, maybe the temperature here is correlating a little bit with the Bitcoin price. So 2,000 likes on that Twitter post. Thank you so much, guys. This is completely amazing. I do appreciate your support on YouTube, on Twitter. You are really helping us to get out to the mainstream. This is why we are already getting on average 8 or 9 times more likes than Peter Schiff. Is that crazy? I mean, this guy, he's an industry OG. I'm just a YouTuber trading crypto and Bitcoin on YouTube, right? And this guy is in the space since like 40 years. And he has amazing content. I mean, don't get me wrong. He has amazing content. And he's pushing that for years now. He's world famous. And we are getting, on average, 8 times more likes per post. Why? Well, because I am advertising for Bitcoin, for a decentralized technology, which is already changing the world. And because he is stubborn, no matter how amazing he is with his content, he's just stubborn. And I don't know if he's ever gonna join. But like, we are going to make here our money. We are going to increase our purchasing power and be part of a decentralized revolution. And we don't care about these dinosaurs just sleeping on the sidelines, right? So what we can see is we are getting this breakout. It is even a confirmed breakout, and we got a rejection, and we are about, hopefully here, to break above the previous rejection point. In the moment, we are closing an hourly candle above with volume support. I would be personally, if I wouldn't be already involved in a trade, open this trade here approximately at the $48,700 levels once you are breaking above the previous all-time high here. And then I would be closing, I would be taking my first profits here already actually at the bull flag price target, which is approximately slightly below the $51,000 levels. This is already a very, very fruitful trade here, which, oh, sorry, you have to take it from here. It's a half-staff pattern, sorry. So I would take profits right there at the $51,000 levels, slightly below even. We are always taking profits below. But the real profit taking, for me personally, is gonna happen slightly below the $54,000 level, where we have the 1.418 Fibonacci extension level, the cup and handle breakout pattern target, and also the half-staff measurement move price target of this bull flag. Also, all of them coming together at the $54,000 levels. And guys, if you wanna be trading that, if you are standing on the sidelines right now, even if you have already an account somewhere else, you can switch over to our link here in the video description down below. If you go below the video and you click on more, you have $1,180 for free here. And I will always provide the highest bonuses since I know these exchanges in person. I even traveled to Singapore. So like I know them in person, and we will always get the highest bonuses here. Bybit is certainly the best choice. It is the best exchange in my opinion, but I provide alternatives here. Make sure you go below the video description and you claim your $1,180 for free at 30x leverage. This is like a $34,000 trade for free. You can leave on Bybit, for example, you can leave your money on the sidelines and trade only with the bonus and can withdraw the profits from the free bonus as well here to your exchange. So let's go here straight furthermore into the content. And wow, Bitcoin is just really going crazy. And I didn't eat any lunch yet. Here it's like 2 or 3 p.m. in Mexico. I will do a meetup here very soon as well. By the way, guys, if you want more of personal content about maybe small updates on the sidelines when I cannot go online in that exact moment, make sure you follow me on Instagram at MMCrypto. If you follow me there, you need the blue verification checkmark. If you see the blue verification checkmark over on Twitter, you can make sure that you are getting these updates in the moment they are coming into my mind. So let me quickly show that to you here. So this is the account at MMCrypto. Follow me over there with the blue verification checkmark and you are getting all the updates. So any other questions? Cardano. Why is everyone mentioning Cardano? It is a good altcoin finally. I told you that in 2019 and 18 and 19 they did not really deliver. They delivered on their promise but too slowly. Like there were no updates coming, at least not publicly. And that's why I always told you back then, 2018, 2019, no. Right now these things are changing. They are pushing massive updates, but of course the market is also pricing that in like crazy. Wow, Cardano is about to hit $1. Are we going to hit $1 for Cardano today? Let me know right now. And this is the reason why I'm a little bit cautious covering Cardano. But of course, something which goes up can go up much more. But as you can see, Cardano is really going completely crazy, right? So what I was actually mentioning earlier, the highest price target I was predicting earlier on my channel was actually, now it seems laughable to be honest, the 42 cents level. But I was predicting that at this breakout here, at the 16 cents. I was predicting the 46 cents level. Well, once we broke out from here, we of course doubled another time here to 95 cents. But still, guys, as you can see, we perfectly hit all of these price targets. And Cardano is even going higher. And right now we are just in uncharted territory. It's impossible to tell you what the price targets is. If you're holding Cardano, well, take some profits along the lines. You already multiplied your Bitcoin, but yeah, this one is going completely crazy, and nothing which goes up in a straight line will go up in a straight line forever. This is a parabolic curve right now, so I would just get a little bit more cautious here. Not like for Ethereum, where we can go up more parabolically a little bit more here before we are eventually breaking down. So let me quickly go over here. I was talking about my Bitcoin price targets to 51, 54,000, my Bitcoin trade, my current trades for Bitcoin, where I would open a new trade if I would be standing on the sidelines. If you missed out on these things, go back to the beginning of the video and make sure you watch it from the very beginning. I was talking about Ethereum, about my price target of close to $2,000 $1,950 I was showing you all my trades. I was showing you the craziest news at all. We have BNW Mellon, the oldest bank of America, joining Bitcoin. We have MasterCard allowing crypto payments for their 30 million merchants, being a leverage to hundreds of millions of people. We have PayPal involved. We have all of these big institutions involved, and we will be seeing Google Pay and Apple Pay joining as well very, very soon. Guys, I have to say goodbye now. I am so not tired. I am so hungry. I will be talking about altcoins in the next one, so make sure you go below the video, you subscribe to the channel, you press the bell, and you press on all, because only then you can make sure that you're not going to miss out on the next videos. YouTube is deciding right now who they are giving the notification or not. If you want to decide in the moment I'm pushing them out, you can see that they are time sensitive. You are missing out just half a day on my trading signals, on my short signals. Most of them are long signals. well, you can see you can be standing on the sidelines and you have to get in at a higher point, at a higher price point, and the risk of that, of course, increases. Thank you so much for everyone here watching. If you could do me one last present in the end, just like the video. If you're still in the video, you're the true crypto family watching until the very end. Please like the video right now, and yeah, that would cheer me up a lot. As you know, I need the support for the YouTube algorithm. YouTube only understands that these videos are relevant if you are sharing it with your friends, if you're pressing the like button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see each other very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, most probably today, latest tomorrow. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.